In this video, I'm going to show you how you can update Flightradar. By updating your Flightradar24, you'll be able to get the latest version of this app. You'll also be able to fix any issues that might be associated with this app. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so for you to get the latest features that comes with Flightradar24, you need to go ahead and look for this app through Google Play Store. Go ahead and look for Play Store if you're on Android, or App Store if you're on iPhone. For my case, I'm on Android, and therefore I'll go to Play Store here and then log in with your Google account or Gmail account. And now you should see a search bar here. If you can't see the search bar, then you should see a search icon down below. Tap on it, and now the search bar will be activated. Go ahead and tap on it, and then just search for the app by name like this, Flightradar, as one word, and then I'll hit on search. As you can see, here is our app. If I tap on it, you can see we have an update, which means I've been using an outdated version of Flightradar24 Flight Tracker app. To update it, go ahead and tap on update, and this will go ahead and download the latest version of Flightradar24 app and then install it on your smartphone. Once the app has been installed, now you can proceed and tap on open to start using the latest version of Flightradar24 app. So that's how you can get the latest version of Flightradar24 app on your smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.